What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're quickly checking out Pepe coin today. It's a red day for Pepe. I know many people are not happy about this, so I thought I'd cover the token, let you guys know what I think is going to happen in the upcoming weeks and months in the crypto space. Hope you guys are doing good, by the way, and if you can, just drop me a second of your time. Please subscribe to this channel. That would really help. Now, the thing is, we are still not in an altcoin season, so this is one thing you really have to factor in, is that we're not in alt season. You can see we're sitting at 53 here on the altcoin season index, and I do personally think we're gonna see a rise for altcoins soon. Leading towards the end of the year, this is where we could really start to see alts kick off, especially if the market ends in the traditional way, where we usually get a very good October and November for Bitcoin, followed by a blow off top in December, where the bull market typically does end. Now, right now we can see over the week, Pepe's up 5%. It is down 6% on the day, down 7% on the month, but it doesn't mean that we're going to see Pepe Light, of course, drop much lower in general. So at the moment, we can actually see, when we remove these lines, these very special lines, and we look exactly at what we're forming, we're kind of forming this almost brilliant looking symmetrical triangle. You can see this beautiful triangle pattern right here. And Pepe is battling between 0.00000126 and 146. But we are lacking volume. We're lacking a bit of volume here. But looking over at trend wave, we're in a pretty good place. We're sitting just above the SMA there. And now could potentially be a good time to see Pepe bounce. If we see a bounce where we are now, come back up to the resistance up here, and then we can start seeing a little bit of continuation for Pepe the frog right here. Obviously, it's been an entirely red week, so on the grand scheme of things, 2 weeks ago it was great price action, but this week has been red. The last 2 weeks before that were also red, so it's very important that we hold on to this support so that we don't come back down to lower regions. And by lower regions, I mean like basically losing the zero and coming back down to these support levels much lower down, which is a possibility and probably will happen in the future. But, right now, if we're going to get an all-time high, it's going to be when we have an alt season. So the only way we're going to get all-time high is if Bitcoin actually follows through with its history, with its price history. Then we could really start to see the shift for cryptocurrencies. We could really start to see it play out, because if we look at September 2013, September 2017, and 2021, every one of these Septembers was a Bitcoin pullback followed by a massive euphoric end phase pump. So if this happens, this is going to be extremely exciting and something I would very much look forward to. So yeah, definitely keep your eyes peeled on alts, memes, because we might see the money rotate out of Ethereum, Solana, and Bitcoin soon and move into a massive alt season, which is something I'm really keeping my eyes peeled on right now. Do want to say, guys, if you want to make some extra money in this market, check out my Patreon. We recently called the base BONK coin in my Discord channel for the VIPs. This beautiful alpha here, which has done a 2x. I'll just bring up the chart so you can see it right here. And there could still be some more upside potential here. So if you're actually into meme coins, base BONK was one that we just looked at recently. We dropped in the alpha call group here in the ultra early announcements, and boom, my holders, my Discord, my community have some nice profits right now, because we were talking about base BONK, saying how it could potentially go up, and it has done that. So we're trying to provide as many wins as possible. Please do check out my Patreon. There's only 6 slots left for the Crypto Legend, guys. You've got about 6 slots left for the Crypto Legends 2. So this will give you everything you need in the market to become a better trader. You've got pre-sales, we've got trading cards, we've got trading signals, we've got opportunities, we've got alpha plays, we've got all of the juicy stuff that you could potentially enjoy in the market. And make sure you also sign up to KSX down below, guys. Not much time to sign up to KSX before their deposit bonus ends. And also they're giving away $390 of free trading bonuses at the moment. So trade anywhere with KSX. Link is also down below. Just want to say thank you for watching the video. And I think really what is going to happen with Pepe coin, I think what matters and what is most relevant right now is that we need to see a Bitcoin massive pump. We need to see an end of year pump in order for all the altcoins to pump. It's great that we have altcoins increasing in value, but at the end of the day, this is the crypto total market cap. Here we're at 4 trillion, which is fantastic. Here is the crypto market capital excluding Bitcoin, which is 1.63 trillion, which is also fantastic. But we just got rejected. So we just got rejected before making a true all-time high over here. So right now, nothing is confirmed. We cannot get too excited just yet. But anyway, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.